In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a payment on the Affirm app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In the latest version of the Affirm mobile app that you can acquire through the Google Play Store or the App Store, you will be able to use the search function at the top of the screen to browse through the available stores. Alternatively, simply scroll down and you will be able to see all the categories and the featured stores. When you use the search function to look for a store, you can either click the specific store to be redirected to the website of that store, or alternatively, you can select the option I've highlighted on screen, pay using a one-time use virtual card. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to set the purchase amount and proceed to checkout, where you can pay using Affirm as a payment method or use the virtual card you generated inside of the app. As long as a store is listed inside of Affirm, you will be able to use it as a payment method during checkout. Like I said, you don't have to generate the virtual card if you don't wish to, since some stores do accept Affirm during the checkout, for example, Amazon or Goat. As long as you manage your finances and expenses through the app, you will be able to pick a specific payment plan after you are done with the checkout process. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a payment on the Affirm app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.